Yeah, good workout earlier, y'all. Sound check time now, so let's go to sound check. It's gonna be a good day. Let's go, y'all. God bless y'all. It's a pleasure as walking out the door. The room's still messy and sloppy, as you see on my bags there. Beds still haven't been made up. Been busy. I love y'all. I want to see Ron's old man jiggle, man.
Yeah, nah, they gotta go with it. Yeah, nah.
Old man jiggle.
Old man jiggle, for sure. What's happening, P?
Yeah, man. Yeah, if I see you on the Twitter, man, you got me on Twitter. Give me a Twitter address so everybody knows where you at, Dancing Boy.
Dancing Boy Ron / / whatever it is. What it? Twitter / / Dancing Boy Ron DANCINBOYRON.
There you go. So make sure you follow Dancing Boy Ron. And then we got the Albert Einsteins of dancing right here.
Oh yeah, you know that's me, Albert Einstein of dancing, aka Jeremy, aka Jerm, aka you know how I do it, you know what I'm saying?
And where do your brain stem work at the most? Yours? At the very stem's clean, huh?
My brain stem is pretty active because it just so much stuff comes in at one time. I get to pick and choose what I want to do next. You know?
Now we go to real boy.
It's like a visual.
Where your brain work at the most when you dancing?
Oh man, I would say when I see about 1,000 people, you know, millions of people in the crowd,
Yes.
your brain just opens up to another world.
Right. And I know exactly how you feel because whenever I'm singing, it's a certain stem that's more cleaner down there than other people, and there's certain notes that come out real strong because it's a stem that's real clean in the back. Ain't that right?
That's exactly right. Couldn't have said it better myself, man.
It's Shalia. Look at Shalia. Is your brain stem clean, Shalia?
Yes.
It's clean?
Mine's come out when I'm nervous, though. When I'm nervous, that's when I gotta hit it, because I'm nervous.
See, boom, boom, you gotta hit it when it comes out. Boom. Dancing Boy Ryan, you know, his stem been clean for years. Brain stem.
Oh man, brainstem, energy drink. As soon as I hear that HAMMERTIME music come on, it's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Here you go.
Don't stop, won't stop.
It don't stop, it won't stop. Because boom. That's how we do it like that, yeah. Pow, pow, wow, wow. Cut a cloud, cloud. Oh, y'all switch the stage. Sound check, man. That's how I do it, man.
Always get her post as a
We got flip on flip. We got flip against flip. We got flip
Ellis right there.
We got Egypt right there. Look at the stage right now, how big the stage is. Plus, Ellis, we got Michael. We're talking to somebody important about the brains. Mike Gammons hooking the brains up. Here we go.
What's up, P. Ellis?
What's up? What's up, Mike?
Me and Clay right here, man.
What's going on, Clay?
How you doing?
What's going down? Where we at, Clay?
You're in Syracuse, New York.
That's right. That's right. And what's the event called?
The New York State Fair.
Yeah, see, y'all, you hear that? The New York State Fair. They got Dre right there.
That's what it is, New York State Fair. We're here.
It's
Actually,
sound
they
check.
call it the Fair of New York.
All right. Fair of New York.
There's a difference.
Sound check, man. You know, what's up, man?